Nithengio muno mwirore John Momwena Wanjiru wa Mwaura ni gukora mukinjikiria mwaro mwena uyu ungi na ni ngoro ngimenyithia mwiroreri uria wonjoria uregariira nie njitikaga Wambui wa Gakibe. Nero tukora tukimurika maria tukuhariririe na ni ate kiama kia Edia Macadamia guku bururi-ini nikio Nut Traders Association of Kenya nikendekithitie kuongererwo ihinda ria mweri umwe ria ugethi wa macadamia niguo makorwo makurite wega na niguo murimi akorwo akihota kwendia na thogora uria wagiriire. Wanja wa Muru na horo uyu na njira nyandanduku.
Muikariri giti wa kiama giki Johnston Kihara ni augite ati murugamo wa ruhonge rwa urimi rutiataritwo uria kwagiriire thutha wa kuheana mwerekera mweri 15 mweri uyu, akiuga arimi ni mabataire kuongererwo mweri ungi umwe niguo gutigirira ati macadamia ni makura wega.
Mweri 15 February ithui ni twareganite no horo wa mweri 15 February tondu mweri 15 February macadamia matikoragwo me makuru. Macadamia magirire gukorwo mari makuru mweri 15 March.
Makura wega ni kuona ati brokers ni maraharakisha arimi kugetha macadamia matari makuru undu uria uratuma medie na hathara. Thutha wa brokers aya kugurira arimi macadamia kilo na shiringi 50 marathie na kwendia kilo 1 na shiringi 100 gutiga arimi aya magitara hathara. Macadamia Growers Association ni makinyite na gwetha kihonia makauga ati macadamia maya mariendagio kilo shiringi 170.
Kiwango cha shilingi 300, lakini tunaona kwamba wakati huu hatutaweza kufikia kiwango kile kwa kuwa tayari wakulima wameuza macadamia yao kwa bei ya chini sana.
Ripoti ya Gikuyu TV biashara Jeta Wanja wa Muru.
Gatho cia mwanya Wanja wa Muru ni undu wa ripoti ya kujega na riu tukorwo tukimurika magina ni ati wiandikithia wa arimi county-ini ya Uasin Gishu ni utafanirio mwena wa Soi kuria arimi aya manyitanire na ataramu kuma Ngeretha o hamwe na governor wao Jackson Mandago. Wiandikithio uyu wa kiriu urongoreirio kunina mathina maria makoretwo ho na kuhe murimi kahinda kahuthu urutini wake wa wira. Odumwe oho arimi ni magagukorwo makimenyeka urimi uria maratabania.
Initially built right now to securely store information about the farmers in the constituency. The main elements of data that we'll collect are biographic data, which are names, dates of births, family members, where they live, the types of crops that they're engaged in growing, the size of their farm, that general information. Then biometric data as well. The biometric data is the identity piece that goes along with their name and date of birth. We'll acquire fingerprints and face images so that we can subsequently identify them biometrically, and we'll know that we're dealing with the same farmer every time. Further, we'll know that they are supposed to be a participant in whatever the program CDF is providing to them at the time, so it can reduce fraud, eliminate unwanted transactions, and massively increase efficiency.
It will also help us knowing our dairy capacity, because we're going to register the number of acreage and the number of cattle that we have under dairy. That will also help us so that all in all, it's going to be a touch of a button, and we know exactly how our agricultural farmers are doing in Soi constituency.
Ripoti yo ni irahe kanya nani tukorwo tukimenya uria shiringi ya tinda igicenjanio nengi. Na ni Wambui wa Gakibe hu niho gukorwo ngikirira gaturumo mohoro maitu ma wonjoria ngoro ngicokeria Wanjiru wa Mwaura mena mwiruri John Mbo mathina mbere na gututareba ikerekaini riu ringi ritu ria mohoro.